Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll look the animals around us. Animals around us. Which are the animals we see in our society? Those are called domestic animals. What they call? Domestic animals. Let come and see. First is goat. What is this? Goat. Goat gives us milk, meat, hair. This is the goat. Then cow. What is this? Cow. Cow gives us milk. Cow gives us milk. Then dog. Dog is a pet animal, isn't it? We called it social animal. What we call to dog? Social animal. And dog identify the sounds and location. It's a quite clever animal. Then ox. Ox is used for plowing, irrigation, transport. Then sheep. Sheep gives us wool, meat, leather. Then buffalo. What we call this? Buffalo. Buffalo gives us milk and leather. Then come here. Donkey. Donkey. This is used for pulling carts, carrying loads. Then pig. Pig has a sense of smell. Consume both plants and animals. This is pig. Then camel. What is this? Camel. This is used for milk. Then horse. This is horse. Horse used for pulling objects. This is also domestic animal. Then rabbit. It is also one of our pet animals. Lives as a pet. Then cat. Wow, what a beautiful cat. This is cat. Has superior vision. This is friendly animal. This is a friendly animal. Then come here. These are the birds. What are these? These are the birds. These all are the birds. Come. Let me know the name. This is parrot. This is parrot. This is crane. Peacock. Dove. Cock. Hen. Myna. Kingfisher. Vulture. Sparrow. Turkey. crow, crow, crow. So these all are animals around us and birds' names. Okay, children? Then here, come to know another one. Okay? Shapes. What are these? Shapes. Come here. This is circle. What is this? Circle. Circle. And next is triangle. 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 Next is rectangle. 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 Then square. 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 Okay, children. Thank you for watching. Keep these in your mind. Okay? Bye.